Yo, hello everyone. It is Thursday, June 22nd. The time is 08:22 Central. It's 09:22 New York local time. And in this video, I'm going to do a quick ICT tape read of the Micro Russell 2000 because that is what I can trade on my TradeStation account. Okay, so here on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that during the London session, the Micro Russell came down and tested. It drew to Wednesday's New York AM low. Didn't quite get there. Came down near the consequent encroachment of that Wednesday's New York AM session low. So we had that on the open. We drew to it, but we didn't quite sweep it. We then came up and took out the first. Formed this little balanced price range here during the London session, and we have not closed above this high here pre-London that took us to the low. This Frankfurt high here at 1877 spot 8. We've traded above it, but we have not closed above it. We came back down into this tiny little fair value gap here that you can see I'm highlighting with my cursor. We came back in it during the London AM session. And during the London AM session, we price did not want to come down and close. Let's see, yeah, it didn't want to close below this fair value gap here, but we're also not coming and closing above that high that I talked about, the pre-London high at 1877 spot 8. But overall, looking as how we did not sweep the Wednesday AM low, my tentative guess would be that the Micro Russell here probably on the open wants to pop up. Let me see if there's any inefficiencies that I can see higher. Um, yeah, on the 30-minute chart, we see that we're inefficient. This fair value gap up here from 88 spot 5 down to 86. So might want to draw up into that. Now, with that being said, we were unable to close above the high that took us to the low, so it's not really showing signs of strength either. Let's take a look at the daily and see if we're drawing to anything. So yeah, we're currently sitting in this volume imbalance that the Micro Russell 2000 formed here, and price has not wanted to come and close below that yet. We've got a fair value gap and an order block down to, let's see, we've got a fair value gap between, let's see, 1861 spot 6 and 72 spot 7. So got a fair value gap here that price is probably going to want to draw down into. And then we've also got this order block here. So we take this order block and we put it into quarters using the bodies of the candle. Our 25% would come in at 1847 spot 1. And so if we were to draw down into this daily fair value gap and into this daily order block, the first thing I'd be looking at is this 25% at 47 spot 1. And seeing as we have been unable to close above the high that took us to the low after trying to sweep this Wednesday AM low, I would say that's probably what the Micro Russell wants to do at some point. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, is we probably want to come and break down and at least trade back to this 47 spot 1. So that's what I'm going to be looking at on the Micro Russell. This has been ICT Tape Reading Practice 2, and I will see you soon.